In today's video, we'll learn insights about managing your personal Blade profile. Let's get started. To view and edit your personal profile, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select My Profile. Edit your first and last name as needed. These fields are self-explanatory. The display name is your preferred name that appears on screens and on printed documents throughout the app. It allows you to personalize communication and content. For example, if your formal name is Robert Jones, but you go by Bob, enter Bob Jones as the display name. Add contact phone numbers in this section. If your account has activated the Xactimate integration, enter your Xactnet address and Xactimate ID. If you have an Xactimate ID but don't know your Xactnet address, click the information icon and read through these instructions to find or create an Xactnet address. Your Xactnet address will show up within the app as a selectable recipient address. It will be displayed when users make an assignment to export Blade data to Xactimate. Use the digital signature input box to upload a scanned image of your handwritten signature. This signature appears on official documents like notifications and letters of intent created for jobs assigned to you. Click the information icon to read useful information about how to upload the best quality digital signature image. Your username is your email address. This email address is the username to both the Blade website and the Blade mobile app. Your email address is also used within Blade's built-in email tool. It's also displayed throughout the app as contact information. To change your password, click Change Password, then follow the prompts. Let's talk about password security for a second. First, never share your password. Second, follow the password requirements listed on the My Profile screen to ensure your password meets the Blade standard. Third, remember to update your password regularly. And always change your password after you log in with a temporary password. Lastly, it's important to note that each Blade user should have their own login credentials. If you feel strongly that users should share the same username and password, please remember that these users should not log in at the same time. When multiple users log in using the same credentials at the same time, they may unknowingly overwrite each other's data. Okay, that's a quick rundown of the profile screen. After making changes to your profile, click Save, or select Cancel to exit without saving. Click on Resources, then click on the Users tab to view your profile information and the contact information of all other users in your Blade account. Well, that's a quick tour of your profile settings. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work